Hi everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Back to make another video for you. First off, I want to show you my flag from the last video. It's not quite all the way dry, so I don't want to put my hands in it. There it is. I still got to put the stars on when it's completely dry, but it turned out okay. There it is. So, on with the next. Okay, today I'm working on the 6x6 canvas. I'm going to try my luck with a bloom. I'm not sure that I'm doing it right, the bloom technique, but I'm going to give it a shot. So I'm going to start off, and our colors are going to be, the background color is going to be this Artist Loft unbleached titanium, Deco Art cobalt hue, teal hue, Deco Art primary magenta, Artist Loft aqua green, and maybe a little bit of white, and I have the extreme sheen 24 karat gold. That's going to be our colors. So let's get started with getting our background color down. See if this works better than the other thing I've got for spreading. These have got very wide edges. Some of the air bubbles out. My tweezers real quick. I see a hair from my dog, of course. Oh, that was the cobalt teal hue. This is the primary magenta. This is aqua green. And this is the 24 karat gold. Okay, I don't really know what I'm going to blow it with. Let me try my little hand blower. Myself entangled. There we go. Much better. Looking pretty good, I think. Well, I've got you a captive audience. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment if there's anything that you want to see me do. I do commission work. My email address and everything is down in the description below the video. Sure would appreciate any comments. Share with your family and friends. These are turning out really beautiful. And get some of that gold to spread a little bit. Spread really good over here. Let's see. Okay, what do you think? I think they turned out pretty darn nice. I'll work on the sides, getting the sides covered, give you a close-up. Look at that. Man, those are pretty. Don't want to tilt any of it off. Look at that. Those turned out so beautiful. All right, thanks for watching today. And like I said, please subscribe if you haven't already. Tell your friends and family. Give me a thumbs up, be greatly appreciated. And as always, please have a great day.